Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a back to school organization video. The main project I want to tackle is the closets. That is going to be the theme of the video. We're just like resetting from the summer because things got a little wild. My kids share a room. I have a boy and a girl, organizing both of their stuff in there. It's a tight space. And if you're looking for some small closet organization ideas, this video is perfect for you. Still procrastinating over here. Okay, I need to stop talking. All right.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild, is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
Hey, remember how I was doing the closet organization and we were going to go on that journey together and I was going to film the whole process and it was going to inspire and motivate and give you ideas? I deleted all that footage. So I'm going to give you a tour. I believe that you're still going to get inspired. You're still going to get motivated and you're still going to have some great ideas. I still have your back. I'm excited to show you this. Love the way organization makes me feel, makes my kids feel, makes us feel a sense of peace. I literally found myself hanging out in there. Loving life. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's get right into it. And Jack's acting like a dinosaur in the background. So if you hear anything crazy and gruesome, that's what it is. Don't worry. I got these little acrylic organizers from Target. They have them available right now. I think they were $5 a piece. They're nice looking. They seem like really good quality. In this front row, I have a bunch of well-loved paint supplies. I have some scissors and they have some dividers. And I love that I can just get this down and bring it to the kids at the table and they can start doing crafts. So I tried to organize everything. This is all their paint supplies. Back here, I have some things in bags. I think I'm going to, instead of using Ziploc bags, I'm going to buy some mesh bags to put this in. Also, some more paints back here and some watercolors. Right here, I have another organizer, and this is like their everyday craft supplies, stuff that they can use on their own. They don't really need supervision like they would the paint. Markers and like some more simple watercolors and some paint brushes. And then we have colored pencils. I really want to restock all this, but this is what we already had. So I just made use of what we had. Crayons, and then these cool tempera paint sticks. I got this little thing, I think last year from Dollar General, but they always carry stuff like that. Any kind of sparkles or glitter I have right here with some glue and like some glue sticks. Back here, I just have like a foam building kit. I have some foam paint stick, or some like foam things for paint as well. I have 2 sets of Bob books. We got these giant ones from Costco. I think they were like $10 to $12 a piece. I have collection 1 and collection 2. Jack's going to be going into kindergarten, so he's going to be learning to read. So I put those back there since we had some extra space. Here, I just have coloring books and workbooks that they've done, and as well as like nebulizer and humidifier way up there, kind of hidden. Down here is kind of a whole lot of nothing. I just have some extra label things. I have some sight words and some construction, hold on buddy, some construction paper and some, what is this called? Cardstock. I have some of these sandpaper letters, some more puzzles right here, and then this learning game that my sister got us. Down here I have Magnetiles and board games. Jack and Everly love the ABC Blocks game, or ABC Locks, and some puzzles. I've had this thing for a while too, I think about a year. Lego drawer, craziness, Hot Wheels stuff, and then costumes just kind of crammed in there. I put miscellaneous stuff right there. There's a Lego table, another game that doesn't fit on a shelf, a hat that doesn't fit in a drawer, and a guitar. For the drawer organization, I have Everly's pull-ups and wipes, some over here as well, like the extras. For her drawer, I just did kind of like lounge around the house leggings, newer leggings back here, jeans, pajama sets, and then shorter pajama sets back there. I have little shorts right here that go with her shirts that are hanging, bathing suits, all her socks, tights, and then like knee-high socks back there, and her underwear right there. Jack's drawer is pretty simple. I did do like black socks right here, gray socks, red socks, and then way in the back is white socks, and then his underwear goes right here. I have to fold some laundry and put some stuff in there. Also up here I have sheets and then sentimental stuff that didn't quite fit in some of the other organization I'll get into for their schoolwork, which I will show you right in there. I have one for Everly and one for Jack. So this is just like their baby books and like picture frames and just like random stuff that didn't fit. Right here is a bunch of Play-Doh and kinetic sand stuff. And then this is going to be a bin where I put some of their schoolwork to get out of the way, but to look at later and store away, decide whether I want to keep it or get rid of it. And then like some of Jack's Legos and rocks and stuff that he still has to build and play with. Up there is also some more bulky stuff, and then some baby sentimental items. Because we are tight on space in here and my boy and my girl share a closet, I needed something not too bulky, not too big, and something that was going to hold quite a bit. So I found these case files at Office Depot. They're not too big at all. They're very easy to fit in here, and they actually hold quite a bit. Let me show you. This has some of the work that they did last year that I organized this time around. This has a year's worth of work that they did, and it seems to fit really well in there. And I have quite a bit more room to go. And Jack has one as well, and his fit a whole year of pre-K in it. The bulkier items, I'm just putting in like side of baskets. As they get older, I plan to do memory boxes for them, and those will be quite bulky. But when they're just getting started in school, I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old starting kindergarten. I don't feel like I need that kind of thing right now, but I definitely plan on it in the future. This is good enough for right now. I expect it to hold 1 to 2 years worth of work. Like I said, I'm not sure what to expect with a 5-year-old starting kindergarten and how much work we'll save, what kind of projects he'll be doing, but this is great for right now. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for being here, and thank you so much if you subscribe to this channel. I'm excited to see you in the next one. Bye.